Hi, I'm Alison Board, an artist in the UK. I'm here representing Schmincke Artist Colours, and today I'm going to answer another frequently asked question in oil painting, the mixing together of different kinds of oil paint. Combining and mixing oil colours together is a common practice. Many painters have different oil colour series in their assortment, which they combine. But can oil paints be mixed with resin oil paints? This question is of particular importance for users of Schmincke oil colours, because in addition to pure oil paints such as Norma Professional, we have the unique Mussini resin oil paint in our range. First of all, of course this is possible, and without any problems. The unique feature of Mussini resin oil colour is its formulation, which goes back to 1850. The individual compositions of pigments with classic binders such as linseed oil and sunflower oil, as well as additional proportions of proven natural resin solutions, in this case damar, ensure excellent light refraction properties, increased luminosity, and particularly durable colour layers. The resin content in the colour ensures a particularly balanced drying behaviour. It works like this. The oil content of the colour increases in volume as they dry by absorbing oxygen. The solvents in the natural resin solution evaporate and thus cause a decrease in volume. These balancing processes ensure a stress-free and even drying of the colour layers and thus guarantee the longevity of the painting. A combination of pure oil colours, like the Norma Professional or the Academy oil colour with the Mussini resin oil colour in one picture is possible without any problems and certainly also useful. There are some very special colours, such as Byzantine blue, Caesar purple, Florentine red or Ural yellow-green, which exist only in the Mussini range. Also, the mixing of the different series is no problem. The more Mussini is mixed with a non-resinous colour, the less the specific properties of the resin are noticeable, but there are no other differences in the application. I recommend just give it a try. Mix and combine your Mussini and Norma Professional, use your mediums as usual, and enjoy the special intensity and variety of Schmincke oil colours.